For anyone that's building a website and tracking your project in Notion, I have to show you this free Chrome extension that we've built to make logging issues with your site so much easier. We built this because we know how frustrating it can be to log tickets manually. To write down reproduction steps, your device information, maybe even taking a video of what happened, and then send it to someone else, and then they say, looks fine on my end. What Jam does is capture all this information automatically, so it makes it quicker for you to log bugs and then easier for engineers on your team to fix them. Today we're releasing our Jam for Notion integration, and I want to show you how it works. So after you've downloaded Jam, you'll see it as a strawberry in the top right of your screen. When you come across a problem on your site, you're going to click the strawberry to see some options for how to capture it. Here you can see a screenshot, you can record the tab, or you can do what we call an instant replay. What instant replay does is it captures the last 30 seconds of your domain, played back like a video. This is great for hard to reproduce bugs. After this, you're going to see the option to connect Notion. Here I can put a page title, a description, and then you're also going to see the database and all the subfields for creating the ticket. I'll put order submit, not working. Then I'll fill out all the other fields like priority and assign it to myself, and status is not started. Then I create the page. You'll see the description, you'll see the website URL, you'll see the device and browser information, the date and time, and a link to the Jam, which will show you the video. When you open this, you'll see a video of the problem, but you'll also see other information like console logs, network requests, any actions taken by the user, and then you can jump in the timeline and see exactly where things went wrong. What this ticket will give you is everything you need to fix the bug, and the great part is that you didn't need to do practically anything to capture it. All of this is free to try, so go to jam.dev and see what you think.